up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana, and what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, A Hooper's Touch. My name is Dana, and in today's video, I am going to explain to you guys why I've been away for so long. I do want to check in with you all, and I do want to share some YouTube videos or YouTube ideas I have for you all. So, to start us off, why I've been away. I had a death in my family a few weeks ago, and I felt that it was important for me to just disconnect a little bit, do a little bit of self-care, be with family during this time. I miss you guys so much. I have. That's why I'm back, and I did want to explain, why I was gone. I do have some fun videos for you all coming up. I've currently been pretty serious on my working out. So, if you guys want me to post my fitness journey, please let me know. I am here for you all. We're all in this together. High School Musical. Did you catch that? But I can post my fitness journey. I have been working out, trying to meal prep, limit my sweets. And when I say limit, I mean limit. It hasn't really been working. Ice cream's been my best friend. But I have been trying to challenge myself to not eat as much sweets. So if you all want to follow me on that journey, I can definitely start posting videos. Just comment below. Oh yeah, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification so you are notified every time I drop a new video. Well, back to it. If you guys are interested in that fitness journey, let me know. Comment below, and I can start posting as early as Wednesday. We can have Wednesday as Get With It Wednesdays. Let me know. So I also wanted to do some talks. So as some of you know, I was a psychology major. So psychology and mental health is very important to me. So I do want to have some mental health talks. Starting in August, since it's my birthday month, starting in August, I was thinking about posting a video every day, along with a challenge that I'll be participating in, which is 25 days, 25 push-ups each day, and to bring awareness to PTSD and mental health issues in the military, within military personnel. And that is very important to me. One, because it's mental health, and two, I do come from a big military family. I have a brother that is currently serving in the U.S. Army. So it is very important to me to bring that to light, the things that mentally that a lot of our military personnel have to deal with being in the military. So if you all want to join that challenge with me, let me know in the comments below. But I would greatly appreciate that. And if you do want to join me on this journey, add us on Instagram at A Hooper's Touch and join the challenge. So tag us in your post every day. And hey, just to throw that out there, I will give free shirt giveaway. Whoever is able to do all 25 days with me, because I will be posting my push-ups not only on Instagram, but on YouTube as well. So if you're able to keep up and do the 25 push-ups for the 25 days, I will personally send you a free t-shirt. And then that kind of transitions us into the next topic. So that transitions us into the next topic, which is my website. Y'all, I've been working so hard on trying to get this website up, and the day or the week has finally come. On Saturday, August 1st, my website to buy my apparel will be available for you all. on Saturday. Like, I can hear y'all cheering. I can hear y'all clapping. I know you guys are excited with me. So please follow us on Instagram so you can get updates daily. I will be doing a giveaway. So since this is the week where I'm going to be launching my website finally, I will be giving 3 shirts away. So if you go to my Instagram, you can find all the rules for that giveaway. I'm so excited, y'all. And y'all have been a great support. So I cannot wait to see y'all rocking the gear as well. So now let's transition into our next topic. Like, how are y'all doing? Let me know how this quarantine has been for y'all. Like, comment below. I definitely want to hear from y'all. Like, how are you guys doing? From a scale of 1 to 10. Me, I can find myself, I was so busy before. I was always out of the house. And now I don't want to leave. So sometimes when I'm outside a little bit too long, I'm like, okay, this is different. I've really been enjoying like the time in the house. I do occasionally like take drives with my son, trying to keep a 3-year-old in the house. Has been interesting. I've been trying to keep it spicy for my son. So I like rearranged the room. I'm currently working on a project for his play area, which will be coming up Monday. Stay tuned for that on Monday. But a project for his playroom. I put up twinkle lights in the room, movie nights, you name it. Trying to just do different things. I found joy in taking our morning walks. So 10 a.m. every morning, we're taking morning walks, playing in the backyard. Thank the Lord for a backyard. But I can understand how stir crazy kids can be, especially during this time. So please let me know how you guys are doing. Like, I definitely want to connect with you all. So yeah, I am so happy that you guys were able to tune in on this video. If you guys have any other video ideas, please let me know down below. I am back. So thank you all in advance. Please like this video, share it with your friends. Let's get these followers up. I'm going to be consistent as long as you guys are consistent, but y'all going to be consistent as long as I'm consistent. So let's be consistent together. Okay, let's do it. Thank you, y'all. Until next time.